Today is March 8th, 2018, and this is Riverponics. Unbeknownst to me, I had a good friend of mine that has a YouTube channel, and his handle is jsnip4, and he did an infomercial for my products, which I didn't realize he would do, and I'm very grateful for that. So I figured, I haven't done a video in a while, that I would do an update on my products. And this is my growing room. This is my lab where I experiment with different plants and trying different things, and it's always a work in progress. But I offer a lot of different grow systems. I was granted a patent for my compost tea brewer, and the method of use was just granted to me, and the method of use ties the growing system in with my patented compost brewer. So this is a patented system, and I'm utilizing soil in a hydroponic environment. So I can grow a wide variety of plants in here. This is a self-watering system that wicks up the water into the containers. So utilizing soil gives you that embodiment to extract the minerals and nutrients out of the soil versus strictly just a hydroponic system where you're kind of constricted of a certain variety of plants that you can grow. This system here encompasses the whole aspect of how nature works, and that's kind of our philosophy of allowing nature to kind of guide us. So we've implemented a lot of different techniques as well besides soil. We mimic the lattice effect for structuring water and the magnetic fields of the earth. We've implemented some techniques within our compost tea brewer that actually restructures the water. Here soon I am getting some new grow channels that we've reconstructed, and I'm waiting on the tooling, and it was set back about 2 weeks because they screwed up the tooling, but I should have my new grow channels available by the end of this month. Okay, so the new channels will actually have removable lids, and the removable lids will definitely improve things to be able to have easy access to your root zone and to apply different types of growing techniques. Now you can see I have a wide variety of plants. There's an angel trumpet that's been growing almost a year now, right there in that spot. There's a lime tree that's trying to decide what to do here, but I do have limes growing on it. There's 3 there. There's one right there. There's a couple there growing. This has been growing for about a year too, and it's a funny little plant. It sheds its leaves and grows new and buds, and yeah, so like I said, this is all an experiment for me. We're here to learn, and this is very educational for myself. I don't claim to be a professional. I'm just an inventor with a passion to grow plants. And I believe I designed a grow system that is very user-friendly and offers a lot of different options for you to be successful in growing a wide variety of plants. There's a rosemary bush here I've been growing for a year. That patchouli plant's been growing for almost a year now. There's cabbage growing. That is citronella. Of course, I got tomato plants here growing, and a massive amount of kale that's out of control. And you just keep on picking that, and it just keeps on growing back. I've had people tell me that's the most flavorful, juiciest kale they've ever had. So I can kind of give you an idea of what my new channels will look like without the lids. See, I'm growing microgreens now in the channels. This is my propagation system. I'm gonna step back. You can see kind of the old way in which I can still do this. even with removable lids, drill the holes. So there's a lot of different options you can do. I can do wicks here. Water wicks up into the cup for your starter plants. You can just use, I got soil here, starting some plants in a net cup, rock wool. But this opens the door for a lot of different growing opportunities to implement. All right, this is my smallest brewer I offer. This is the 5-gallon. I just wanted to do a quick video and give a shout out to JSnip4 for helping me out, and I appreciate it very much. Keep in mind, like I said before, I have new things coming, and by the end of this month I should be really up and running, so please be patient with me. If you do try to get in touch and want to order something, now I can do stuff on a vertical scale as well. There was broccoli there that's flowered out. This grow room isn't designed to sell produce. This is strictly just for experimental purposes, okay? Broccoli growing. Here's another, more cabbage. So it gives you an idea of what I have going on. We do custom design products as well, so if you are interested to have a system designed for your home purposes or on a commercial scale, we can absolutely do that. This is our largest brewer, or excuse me, this is a 20-gallon brewer. It's not our largest. We can scale this up to whatever size you need. This is my vortex bucket for vortexing water, structuring water, which mixes and stirs the reservoir down below and aerates it. Yeah, we have a lot of unique things we have implemented. Cherry tomatoes growing using soil. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. Hope to hear from you soon.